Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Samsung smartphone Samsung Galaxy M31s. So at the beginning I want to say subscribe to my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the specification of official phone. The phone has network mode of GSM, HSPA, LTE, and the memory space of the phone is 128GB with 8GB of RAM, and another version has 128GB with 6GB of RAM. The phone is coming to the market with two colors, and the two colors are Mars Black and Mars Blue. And USB has micro USB 2.0, which is Type C 1.0 reversible connector. USB on the go. Display has Super AMOLED capacitive touch screen, 16 million color. Display size is 6.5 inches and 86.1% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.27 into 2.93 into 0.37 inches, and the weight of the phone will be 203 grams. The phone has Android 10 operating system and Exynos 9611 chipset, which is used in Samsung's medium-range handset. The CPU is getting octa-core 4 into 2.3 GHz Cortex A73 and 4 into 1.7 GHz Cortex A53. Here you can get the sensor, fingerprint side mounted, and the accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and the battery is lithium polymer 6000 mAh, non-removable. Yes, the charging has advanced of fast charging 25 watt. As well as the phone has dual SIM, dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano, and it comes with a micro SD card dedicated slot. There is a loudspeaker for sound and a 3.5mm jack for output. The phone has quad-core main camera. Mains 4 camera are the phone. The first one is 64 megapixel with flash 2.0 26mm wide. The second one is 12 megapixel with flash 2.2 123 degree ultra wide. The third one is 5 megapixels with flash 2.4 macro, and the fourth one is 5 megapixel with flash 2.2 depth. Video type facility maximum 4K 30 frames per second, and Get a selfie camera single 32 megapixel with flash 2.4 and 26mm wide lens. So friends, this was the official specification of today's Galaxy M31s model. We can take it without hesitation if you want a good phone from Samsung in medium budget. It will launch in Bangladesh market very soon, and I will definitely come with the unboxing of the set then. Stay healthy, stay well, goodbye.